What have we got here today? I've got this 1000cc motorcycle. It's a CB 1000R, and basically I'm gonna see how I feel about a bigger bike, see if I'm ready for one or not. It's all got every gadget you can possibly think of, and yeah, just want to know if I'm ready for it or not and see how I feel. I'll let you know in a sec. We'll jump on and see what we think. Right then, let's fire this beast up. My first go on a 1000cc motorcycle, and I just wanted to see if it's for me really. And at the moment I've just driven it from a very short distance, and it's not too intimidating. It's really nice and light and easy to use, and well, we'll have a little chat as we go along and see what we think. So let's fire her up. Very nice looking screen, I gotta say. Oh, sounds lovely. Oh yes, like the sound of that. Very smooth. Let's see how she pulls then. Oh, wow. I love the fact they left me absolutely no fuel in here. Oh my word. Very smooth, I gotta say. But I suppose what I'm thinking is, do I need a bigger bike? What does this do that mine doesn't do? And it's definitely not I'm not doing a bike review because I haven't got any knowledge on enough knowledge about bikes to give a review, you know. So it's just whether you need to get a bigger bike or not, you know. What are the benefits, you know. So I don't know, I'll have a little ride and just get a sense of how it feels and if it's actually necessary. So I gotta say, it's very smooth. You'd think, you know, going up to 1000cc it would be a bit heavy and intimidating, but not at all. It just glides along beautifully. Lovely engine, absolutely gorgeous. I'm trying not to sound like a review because, but it's just saying how nice it is. It's absolutely gorgeous, I gotta say. We'll open it up a bit here and see how she feels. Oh, I've pressed the hazard lights on. Here we go. Oh my god, that is quick. Jesus, it's got a quick shifter on there as well. Oh my. Nope, that is, you definitely notice the extra cc's, definitely. But then again, on my 650 I can hit a, you know, easily lose your license on that. So I think where this might be nicer is perhaps if you're doing really big distances, you know, you could, the engine doesn't feel so strained, you know. It's sort of, it'll eat up the miles a bit better, probably eat up the fuel as well. I'm gonna have to look for a filling station, I think. God, you'd have thought they left absolutely. I got the lights are flashing now, so let's see if we can find a filling station somewhere. Wow, there's a heck of a lot of power on there. It is very, very easy. To be honest, I think at the stage I'm at the moment, I can't see there being any real benefits to getting a bigger bike. You know, this is absolutely beautiful to ride, I gotta be honest. It is absolutely stunning. But I think the only reason to get it is just for bragging rights. You know, you say, oh, you know, you're just saying how big and powerful your bike is, that's all. I think in a few years' time, God, I don't know if that felt like it was running out of fuel then, the way it's spluttering. Is it spluttering, or is it just it's probably my unsteady hand on the throttle? Right, let's find some juice. Oh, I thought I'd do a little bit of filming just now for a sec. It's a lovely little road and it goes to an absolutely stunning little calf here. So, why not? Let's turn in and see what we got here. Oh, there's a few bikers there by the looks of it. I am so impressed with this. Oh. Let me just turn around here. I'm going to turn around here. It's a lovely, lovely calf. This is. If you ever look it up on the internet, it's called Baffles House. So very nice. Just between Abergavenny and Pontypool. Oh, listen to that engine. Oh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Oh, there's a couple fellow bikers there. There we go. I've just been having a little play with some of the different riding modes on here, and I put it into race mode. Nearly pulled my bloody arms off. Absolutely frightening. So I will definitely stick with my 650 for a little bit longer. But it is very, you know, at the end of the day, it's the rider who puts the inputs in. So if you want to drive like an idiot, or, well, if you can handle it, fair enough, you know, but I think I'm going to just stick with the 650 a bit longer. But I've gone back down to standard mode now. But I always worry all these different electronics. I always think there's more to go wrong as well. But Hondas are pretty damn good anyway, I think. So I trust them a fair bit. Right, guys, we've fueled up again. I feel a lot happier now. And I've had a bit of a ride before filling up, and I gotta say I am super impressed with this. It is very nice. It is I can't believe how easy it is to ride. I thought I'd be quite scared by it. Of course there's a huge amount of power. I think it's something, you know, close to 150 brake horsepower, but nearly 3 times more than the first car I had probably. But it is very nice, I gotta be honest. I am super impressed. But do I need it? Honest answer, I don't think so. It is very nice, but what am I gaining? You know, not a great deal. So the short answer is no, I don't need it. Do I want it? Hell yes, definitely. But you got to be sensible. You know, I've just put a bit of fuel in here. I saw the fuel prices. You know, mine's not eating up as much juice as this, and it is still very fast. You know, and I didn't buy it for speed really. You know, you want something that's got a bit of get up and go, but I'm more than happy with my bike. Especially the more I ride this, you know, there's nothing it does massively that mine doesn't do. You know, so I don't know how much I'm missing out, you know. The power is immense, I gotta be honest. It just flies. But I've really enjoyed riding it, but you know, maybe when my wallet's a little bit fatter, and I would consider it. But then again, I think if I was going to get a bigger bike, it'd be more of a tourer. You know, something like a Goldwing or something. You know, something I could cover the country. But I think for little weekend rides, I think the one I've got now, the 650 I've got here at the minute, is plenty good enough, more than good enough to be honest. So I don't think I need more than that. So guys, this was a very short video. I just wanted to work out whether I needed a bigger bike or not, and we've got our answer. But while I've got it and it's a beautiful day, I'm going to enjoy it and have a little flavour of what I can't have. But as usual, put the old likes and comments and what you think, you know, what's the real benefits of having a a bike that can do that. Well, if you're a speed demon, fair enough, but like I said, I don't think it's massively quick. It is massively quicker, but I could easily lose my license in the blink of a second on my bike, so this will do. So usual likes and subscribes, and we'll catch you again on the next video.